How to recover deleted Instagram stories. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can recover deleted Instagram stories. So first of all, make sure that you can subscribe to our channel. So head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First locate your Instagram and then open it up. After you've opened up your Instagram, let me just head over to my story and delete it. So after my story has been deleted, now to recover the deleted story, first you'll need to check your archive for stories that have not yet expired. So go to your profile icon on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right. Then after there, you will need to head over to your archives. After you're on your archives, you should find the deleted story. Now, if you don't find it, that's completely fine because there is another options under settings and activity that is your activity that is right below archive. Tap on your activity and there you should find recently deleted option. Tap on recently deleted and there you'll find the story section. Head over to the story section first and there you will see the story that you've just deleted. Now, they will not be deleted or they will not be permanently deleted until the 30 days. So be sure to recover it before the 30-day ends. So you can recover it, open this up, tap on the more option at the bottom right, tap on the more option at the bottom right, tap on restore, and then confirm this. And now the story will be restored. Now you can head back and check it out. Now if I reload my page, there you can see the story has been restored, and it's that simple. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.